I'ma just shout the whole gang out, you hear me? 1500, man. Gunna gang, man. I'm in this bitch, Lil Mo, man, with my nigga Key, man. We about to fuck it up for y'all. Stay tuned, man. Man, this job shit is pitiful, ain't trying to get no interview. Won't see me doing no 9 to 5, no 6, no 8, no 10 or 2. Might just cop a brick or two, ambitions of a hustler. I grew up over another Dutchies, now we going rustlers. Mama, you the MVP and can't forget my customers. First they wouldn't look our way, and now they looking after us. Niggas ain't gon' really ride, they ain't even buckled up. If she ain't trying to go with you, that means she trying to come with us. Everybody trying to get money, I understand money. I know it's gon' come and it's gon' go. And I ain't in fucking with the bitch, but shorty got kids, and she ain't trying to get it on her own. Everybody claim they so real, niggas feel real. Really everybody online, everybody say they on they grind. I ain't gon' co-sign, everybody business ain't mine. One thing I do know is I'm counting my blessings, cause I'm from where fights escalate to them weapons. You make one false move and you get sent to heaven. My shooters shoot shots that it ain't no contestant. I'm on my level, you can't get no leverage. I send it again if you ain't get the message. Ain't giving no homework, I'm just teaching lessons. It's more getting money, that's side of the question. I talk to the teller, we discussing hundreds. You don't see my handout, ain't getting shit funded. And nobody can get it if they really want it. I call up them shooters, they leave your house haunted. My niggas is eating like we got 6 stomachs. BYOW, you know we run it. Free all my niggas like they was most wanted. Free the gang.
Young Key big now, smoking on that good pound. Loud in my system so high, can't come down. Nigga fake, get the ducker when the gun sound. Come up in your house like it's a motherfucking rundown. Fuck niggas, I can't wait to meet him. Knife give him 3 stripes, now his name Adidas. Free job for my nigga Rico. When y'all get out of jail, we gon' shine like C-Glow. No rapper could do what I done. Got a chain that weigh about a ton. Nigga, I'm rich and I don't give a shit. Step with your girl and I'm taking your bitch. She rubbing my back cause she know that I'm tense. Smoking this dope, hoping bullshit gon' end. This is where real shit begins. Y'all niggas pretend me writing this verse is a sin. I did this cause I'm great, but nigga, this is just a preview. And these bars that I'm spitting coming out just like a sequel. Glass made niggas, all you rappers see through. My bitches coming trio cause I'm flyer than a seagull. Spit that shit like my saliva got the measles. Married to the money old like the Beatles. Fucking with the squad, you getting cut like T.O. I get big pussy like a lion or a Leo. I'm shooting these guns, I flip none to get one, and then I'll take a 30 shot to get one to get some. Pussy ass niggas talking dumb shit, you dumb bitch. Got a fully auto, watch me dump it. Lil Mo, yeah, he always on some dumb shit. I hit a date, now I'm burning on some dumb shit. I saw a rail, and he always on that dumb shit. If she wanna party, then she better use the tongue, bitch. Damn.
You don't give a fuck about what they do. So how can they be better? I breed this shit. I'm in the studio right now, B. I just done this song with Shakira and Beyonce. I just got off 106 premiere my new video today. I switched hoodies and tennis shoes and came to the fucking studio. Not the club, the studio, nigga. And not for y'all. For me. You feel me? They done got the game fucked up, too. Everybody in this fucking gang got the game fucked up. Trapping. Work, man. Work.